Brian Symonds is a water management expert who has worked for the BC government for 30 years. He's had a significant impact on technical advancements, legislation, and management practices. He helped lead the creation of the Okanagan Fish Water Management Tool, which received the Premier's Innovation and Excellence Award.
The fish water management tool uses real-time data on flows and lake levels up and down the system. It also records water temperatures, and it uses that data in conjunction with forecasting models of future flows as well as salmon spawning, the kokanee spawning conditions, that allows us to manage it for that while not compromising the other objectives on the Okanagan River system in terms of our management.
Without Brian's input, we would not have been able to formally codify the kind of management rules, both written and unwritten, that were being used to operate the system.
Brian is the primary author of the Review of Landslide Management in BC, co-author of a discussion paper that led to a $100 million flood protection program, and a key member of the team that led the development of the BC Water Sustainability Act.
I moved up to the Okanagan where Brian was in 1994. And over the years, we've done many projects together. One is a study that we did in 1998. They were using older models to forecast the amount of water that comes into these main valley lakes, like Okanagan Lake, every spring from the snow melt. And so he recognized that it was time to modernize these forecasting models.
In the Okanagan Phase 2 Water Supply and Demand Project that began in 2007, Brian's work resulted in dramatically improved knowledge of local water resources. Although retired, Brian remains in demand as a public speaker and continues to serve as a Canadian member of the International Osoyoos Lake Board of Control. He is a lifelong volunteer in his community.
I think it's important to give back to my community. And I found that even in my professional capacity, I find it's important to give back to the upcoming professionals or even seasoned professionals, both engineers and others, who are beginning their career or starting to struggle their career, and help support them achieve their potential. It's the same with the sports teams that I coach. I've done a lot of hockey and soccer teams over the years, approximately 50 teams, and to see those kids grow up and turn into young adults and contributors to our community, you feel pride in knowing that you've helped them reach that through what you've taught them through sport.
APEG BC is proud to present its Meritorious Achievement Award to Brian Symonds.